Home remedies for stomach ulcer. Stomach ulcers are open lesions in the stomach lining. The most prevalent cause is a Helicobacter pylori bacterium infection. Stress, smoking, excessive alcohol use, and the overuse of anti-inflammatory drugs such as aspirin and ibuprofen are all other prominent reasons. Typical anti-ulcer therapy depends on drugs that might have unpleasant side effects such as headaches and diarrhea. As a result, interest in alternative therapies has continuously increased, fueled by both medical experts and patients suffering with ulcers. According to research, there are several natural home treatments that may be beneficial in the treatment of a stomach ulcer. The following home treatments can be used to alleviate these symptoms. Probiotics. Probiotics are live bacteria that provide a variety of health benefits. Their advantages vary from enhancing mental wellness to improving stomach health, including the capacity to prevent and treat ulcers. When used with the standard antibiotic treatment, probiotics have been demonstrated in studies to be effective in eradicating H. pylori and enhancing recovery rates in persons with ulcers. Probiotics can be found in a variety of popular meals, notably fermented foods. Yogurt, buttermilk, miso, kimchi, and kefir are just some examples. Manuka honey. Honey is more than just a sweetener. It is an antioxidant-rich food that has been connected to a variety of health advantages. These include the prevention and promotion of the healing of numerous wounds, including ulcers. Furthermore, honey is thought to contain potent antibacterial characteristics that can aid in the battle against H. pylori. Plantain bananas. Plantains are a subspecies of banana. According to research, unripe plantains may help with peptic ulcers. Leucocyanidin is a flavonoid found in unripe plantains. Leucocyanidin promotes mucus production in the stomach. This fruit may also assist to lower acidity, which can help to prevent and treat ulcer symptoms. Colorful fruits. Flavonoids are chemicals found in many fruits. Flavonoids contribute to the vibrant hues of certain fruits. Flavonoids, commonly known as bioflavonoids, may be an effective supplementary therapy for stomach ulcers, according to research. Flavonoids are gastroprotective, which means they protect the stomach lining and may help ulcers to heal. They accomplish this by increasing stomach mucus, which limits H. pylori development. Flavonoids have antioxidant effects as well. Flavonoids may be found in apples, blueberries, cherries, lemons and oranges, as well as nuts. Cabbage juice. Cabbage is a well-known natural ulcer treatment. Doctors apparently used it to treat stomach ulcers decades before antibiotics were available. It's high in vitamin C, an antioxidant that has been demonstrated to aid in the prevention and treatment of H. pylori. Early research found that drinking fresh cabbage juice on a regular basis helped heal stomach ulcers more successfully than the traditional therapy at the time. Certain meals may increase the chance of getting ulcers and causing them to heal more slowly. Meals that lead to the formation of ulcers include milk, alcohol, coffee, soft drinks, spicy and fatty foods, just to name a few. Aside from avoiding the items listed above, eating small meals at regular intervals, grazing throughout the day, eating slowly, and chewing your food thoroughly can help minimize discomfort and encourage recovery. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.